Hey everyone, and welcome to another video from me. This is Carl from JDM 24 Scale, and today I want to take a closer look at a pack I have just received. And this is from Hobby Search in Japan, and it should contain some rims and tires from Orange Wheels. So let's open it up to see the contents and then concentrate to see a closer look on the tires. Let's open it up. Some good packing, good way to arrive safely. No, I see a lot of orange stuff over here. I like. And what's more? More packing. And also a receipt. That's good. The box. Let's remove it. And let's see if it's what I ordered. So it's the T, the 5-star, and 3 set of OW17. Yep, that's what I ordered. So, beginning from the rims, I will take a closer look at the rims into another video I will upload very soon also. I'm so glad I ordered them. But we'll take a closer look at that later on. Because right now I want to take a closer look at the tires. And these are the OW17 model. All of them are the same. Why I ordered 3 sets of the same tires? Well, you can never have enough tires. And I really like the pattern of these tires and the flexibility of them, because you can mount them into 2 directions. You can either mount them as a stance tire or as a normal tire, as can be seen here. So from one side they are like this, and from the other side they are straight like normal tires. Let's open one of them up and see a closer look of each tire. Let's go. There we go. So let's begin with the instructions. It's all in Japanese, however the photos are can be understood. As I've said, the first instructions show you that you can mount them in this way or in that way, just because the both sides are different. More instructions. And let's have a closer look at the tires now. This is the first time I ordered them and I'm seeing them, so I am seeing them the first time with you. Pattern looks nice. They are rubber, very soft indeed, just like the I must say they are more soft than the rubber of normal kit tires. And let's keep just one in hand to be able to zoom better. And this is the side that can be mounted with a stance over there. Just some, I can notice the mold mark over there. And on the other side you get let me zoom better, like that. And on the other side you have a flat surface without any branding at all. Now, looking at the instructions, we can see that the recommended rim size is 15 to 18 inch, so I'm gonna get a rim of each and test how these tires actually look. So here they are, 4 different rims. 15, 16, 17 and 18, and all of them was mounted with the stretch side facing up outwards. Let's begin with the 15 inch from the Civic Type R. as we can see, the stretch has been mounted forward, so we are testing that side for now. That's how it looks on a 15. It was very easy to put on. That's the smallest size recommended. And now let's bring a Honda AG and see how it actually looks with that type of wheel mount. So there we are, the 15. Moving on to the 16. Okay, because of the bigger size, it's starting to look smaller, the profile. This was also very easy to put on. 16-inch also, with the stretch side facing outwards. Let's have a look at how it also looks on the EG. And there we go. That's how it looks, 16-inch. 17. This started to become a little bit difficult to get inside, but no problem. I must say that it looks very nice, very low profile, even from the side when mounted. And instead of the EG, since the rims are getting better, I got the S2000. Let's see how it looks beneath the S2000, 17-inch. That's how it looks beneath the body. And finally, the 18-inch. This was a little more difficult to put on, however, it's not complicated to do it, just a little bit more force, and it's stretched to the limit to an 18-inch wheel. There you go. I really like small profile, an original R34 rim. And let's have a look at how an 18-inch with this tire will look beneath the S2000. That's how it looks. Pretty nice, I must say. GTR on S2000. Now, I will mount the tires on the same rims, but on the opposite side for the to achieve the flat wall. Let's go. Here I'm back with the tires mounted the opposite way to make them with a flat surface now. Okay, that's how the 15-inch look. The profile is a little bit higher, however it's still considered as a low profile compared to the tires we received with the kits. Let's have a look beneath the EG, and that's how it looks. Compared to before, it fills the arches better because of the slightly wider profile. Still very nice. There's the 15, the 16, same thing, flat wall. And if we see from the side, we can see that now on the front we have a flat wall, and on the back we have the stretch. Beneath the EG, there we go. Once again, it's filling the arch a little bit more than before. However, with the stretch setup, we can go even lower because the wheel can go closer to the arch, to the inner arch, and so it can sit a little bit lower. That depends on what style you're trying to achieve when building your own builds. Now, 17. Same thing. Since this is a little bit more stretch for a bigger rim, the profile started to get a little bit smaller on the 17-inch. I really like that also. Let's bring out the S2000 and have a look at how it looks. Compared to before, I must say that it's filling the arch a little bit more. There we go. And finally, same setup on an 18-inch rim. The profile, as we can see, has become smaller if we compare it to a 15-inch. The profile here is smaller because it is stretched on a bigger rim. However, these are the recommended diameter size of rims from Orange Wheels, so we are testing what we have been told that it's capable. I must say that it is very nice on the 18-inch wheels, so you can go for that setup also, and that's how it will look beneath an S2000, a modern car. Okay, so it all depends on what you're trying to achieve. However, it was a fantastic idea from Orange Wheels to give us this option of being able to mount the tires in whatever direction depending on the type of build we are building. Now I must bring a ruler so that I can tell you the width of the tire, and we are looking at around 1 centimeter in all. So that is 1 centimeter wide, the tire. And speaking of width, if you will try to, this is a standard Tamiya 18-inch rim from the Nissan R34, and as you can see, that is very wide. So if you're mounting them on some Tamiya rims, you will need to cut the back the same as I did with this standard R34 rim. This was cut from the back to be the same size as the tire, because originally this used to be the same width as that one. So they are not wide enough for a Tamiya rim. However, it can be chopped out. That is all for me. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so that I can bring you more videos, and I will see you in the next. Thank you.